Welcome to SciTech AI Utopia. Today I will give you 50 strange and otherworldly planet landscape ideas to be used in various AI art generator prompts. And as always, you can add lines like these next to the landscape ideas to make great images. You can listen to these to recall various landscape ideas when you next try AI art generators. These are a planet covered in semi-translucent gelatinous terrain that quivers underfoot, a world dominated by colossal bioluminescent lichen formations that provide both light and sustenance, a desolate planet with perpetually shifting winds that sculpt the surface into intricate sand dunes, a world where crystalline formations grow and shatter, creating ever-changing kaleidoscopic landscapes, a planet with magnetic terrain that pulls objects and creatures in unexpected directions. A frigid world covered in crimson ice where eerie glowing flora thrives. A realm where shadowy specters roam and the landscape appears as a shifting, ghostly mirage. Mountains that exist in multiple dimensions simultaneously, causing visual anomalies. A planet where a colossal holographic moon hangs in the sky, creating strange optical effects. A world enveloped in a luminous, semi permeable membrane that separates realms and realities. A labyrinth world with ever shifting paths and living maze walls. A scorched landscape where spontaneous fires erupt from the ground and vanish without trace. A planet where the sky changes color with the emotions of its inhabitants. A landmass with gravity that pulls objects and creatures towards the sky. A world where the surface is a sea of ethereal lights and inhabitants navigate through auroras. A forest filled with sentient trees that transport travelers to other realms. A giant crater filled with musical instruments where the air constantly hums with harmonious sounds. A valley where swirling portals to other dimensions appear and disappear. A planet with towering living libraries that contain the knowledge of the universe. Mountains that emanate colorful nebula like gases and constantly shift shape. An ocean where the tides shift and transform the landscape like a living kaleidoscope. A planet where the ground constantly morphs into intricate, ever changing sculptures. Floating islands with gravity that pulls upward, defying natural laws. A planet where flora and fauna merge into symbiotic, mobile ecosystems. A terrain that exists at the intersection of multiple parallel universes, allowing travelers to step between them. A world covered in giant, radiant geodes that house unique ecosystems. Hills that create optical illusions, making the landscape appear to warp and twist. An ocean where crystalline trellises drift on the surface, each containing a unique world. Lagoons filled with bioluminescent organisms that emit stunning light displays. Barren deserts with swirling, unpredictable vortexes of energy. A planet with boiling pools of colorful cosmic soup, said to grant cosmic insights. A marshland where time and space ripple and merge in surreal ways. A vast, ever shifting canyon where surreal scenes and illusions manifest. Fields where the plants and terrain create endless fractal patterns. Sands that emit ghostly apparitions and auditory illusions when touched. A planet with a concentration of interdimensional gateways. Mountains with magnetic properties that cause compass to spin wildly. A collection of islands that exist in multiple dimensions simultaneously. Plains where the land throbs and pulsates with energy. Deep canyons filled with liquid nitrogen that create stunning ice formations. A world where the atmosphere is filled with drifting cobalt colored clouds. A vast network of underground caves that create harmonious sounds. An ocean with inky black water that conceals deep sea wonders. A desert with illusory oases that shift location at will. A world where the ground is covered in radiant nebula-like flora. A planet where colorful voids in the sky open and reveal hidden realms. Canyons that amplify and echo sounds, creating a symphony with the wind. high plateaus where different dimensions overlap, a planet with constantly changing horizons that create optical illusions, a shimmering curtain of crystals that separates two distinct realms. These strange ideas can even be used as an inspiration for science fiction, fantasy, or just plain storytelling. You can use these prompts to make thousands of dream images which no one on this planet would make other than AI. And as always, add photorealistic prompt lines next to these landscape ideas to make many dream images. Thank you for watching. And may we get perfect VR world simulations indistinguishable from reality.